Having any work cabinet isn't the same as having a Stanley Vidmar cabinet. It's like needing the organizational skills of a Stanley Vidmar organizer and getting the Broughal rocket orbitizer.
Let's go to the Stanley Vidmar factory, where the manufacturing has been happening for generations.
We take steel and then we make storage solutions out of it.
Cold roll and sheet stock arrive and are cut into precise parts using stamping presses and laser cutters. Those parts are then formed, shaped, and welded together to create drawers, housing, and cabinet frames. Everything is powder-coated in the customer's chosen color. Finally, the parts are assembled, packaged, and shipped, delivering durable, high-quality storage solutions to customers everywhere.
My name is Carlos Corona. I'm a manufacturing engineer.
My name is Jose Fuentes. I am a slide cell operator, which is like a robotic operator.
It's Justin Quaich. I work in the housing department.
The training and education that I took to prepare for this career, I did biomedical engineering. I was actually interning at Stanley Black & Decker. I decided to go back after graduation.
I went to Career Institute of Technology, CIT, for welding and got my business administration degree.
What do I enjoy most about the slide cell?
Honestly, the peace and quiet underneath the hood.
It's very rewarding to be kind of a source of information that a lot of people come to.
Every day you have an opportunity to make someone's life a little bit better.
The people.
More efficient as possible to make sure they can fit everything that they need to into their cabinets and making sure it works properly and it's not going to fail on them because we're selling quality here.
So don't settle for the orbitizer when you need the organizer. And don't settle for just any cabinets when there's Stanley Vidmar cabinets.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.